You want to take the end of the sari and put it over your left shoulder. I'm going to wear it as a hanging pallu, so I'm going to let it hit just at the back of my knee so that I can hang it. Do that. As you can see now, when I let my hands go, the rest of the sari doesn't trail, so I don't want it to be too long. So I'm just going to put this over my shoulder for the time being. I'm going to fan out the front and then take my drawstring and tie it around my waist, and just like that. You want to use a shorter drawstring so you don't have that much left. And because this is a net sari or a lace sari, I'm using a very similar color so it doesn't stick out, but any color will do if the sari is opaque. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to start tucking in the sari around you and tuck it into the drawstring. To get back to the front. So you want to take the end of the sari and you kind of want to just measure. If you were to take it around again and tuck it in, this will be the last step, how much fabric you'll need. So it's about that much. So that means that I have to stop pleating around here, right? So this is where I'm going to start pleating then. Okay, so then when you've pleated the sari, you're going to pull it underneath the drawstring. So you have it like that. This is a tricky part, but once you get the hang of it, it's pretty easy. And then you're just going to kind of spread out the pleats. All right, and then you're gonna take that end that you measured before and bring it over, and then bring it around and start tucking this in. So lift up the pleats and tuck it into the drawstring. And then this end here, you can just tuck it right in to the drawstring and the sari silhouette. Make sure it's not trailing or anything. And then fix the front so it looks nice and neat.